Alright, I'm Lily and we've got two unassuming people here. To my right is Matthew, just an average guy, who's maybe a bit confused about what's going on. And to my left, we have Tina, who's maybe a little more with the program. Alright, now we're ready for the main event! A room makeover challenge! Oh my gosh. Cool, yeah! Woo indeed! Alright, now that you're both on board, let's see the prize. Ta-da! A whole suitcase full of cash. Oh, holy wow! Yep. Now, are we ready to get this challenge started? I've got 3 mystery boxes here before me. Tina and Matthew, please do me the honors of choosing a box. I want this one. Yes! Got it! No way! I've got a whole credit card in mine! Matthew has a good amount of money. And Tina… ooh, sorry about that. But sometimes that's the way the game is played. And what was in the last box? Oh my! A whole stack of cash! Alright, Matthew and Tina. It's time to put your money away. Ah! Oh my gosh! I bet I can do a lot with my walls with all this sweet money. Whoa, solid gold bars? Don't mind if I do. Heavy. Don't worry, I've got them. Did you see my gold bars, Tina? Because they're pretty awesome. I can definitely make these work with my room. And now it's time to get to work. Ooh, that's hot. Yes, that's right. Melt, my pretties. This is working great. Phew, I'm a little warm though now. That should be enough. Are you ready to see this? Because I'm adding glitter to my gold. You can't ever have too much shiny. Gonna have to use the stir stick to mix it all together. Brush, are you ready? Because it's time to get you all messy. Ooh yeah, that's looking pretty great. Look at all that gold. Okay, my brush is nicely coated. I think I'm ready. Let's roll this on and see how it looks. Gotta make sure I layer it so I don't miss any spots. Haha, this is turning out better than I ever could have hoped. Alright. Let's see what's around here that I can use. I'll just take these paints. Now I just gotta sneak out of here. Oops.
What do you think you're doing?
Hi, officer, sir. This isn't what it looks like.
You have to pay for those or hand them over. I'm keeping my eye on you.
Whoa, Matthew! Your walls look amazing! I can't believe it!
Whoa there, Tina. Stay on your side of the tape, please.
He's right. But at least I finally got some paint to work with. Okay, I'll start with this purple. And let gravity do some of the work. Wow! Look at how that paint just drips so perfectly. But now it's on to my next phase. I need some paint on my palm. Now I'll make sure my hands are entirely coated with the color. Let's add some handprints to my wall. High five, Matthew! Just kidding! Alright, it's time for me to judge how you did on your walls. Wow, I'm pretty impressed with both of you. Truth be told, so let's move on to the beds! But I spent so much of my money on paint already.
Just deliver it here, please. Hey, here's your shelving unit you requested. Thanks. I like your uniform. Yeah, I think I can make that work for me. Yoink! Oh! My clothes! Run away! Just gotta buckle this last one and perfect. Now I'm ready for this. I need to tip my shelving unit over so it's laying on the floor. Perfect. Now let me get a few more shelves. Oh hey there, buddy. Just bring that over here. I got the mattress you ordered. Huh. You're that guy from before. No! You can't have my clothes again! Oh, my mattress! Alright, I'll just put this on the shelves and then it's time to make the bed. The best thing about this bed is all the storage it offers below. Ooh, I love this sparkly pillow. And the whole bed, actually. How you doing over there, Tina?
I really need to get started on my side. Holy cow, a mattress! It's mine! I saw it first!
Let go and give it to me!
Alright, Fred. Have a good rest of the day! Back in my room. And it's just the way I left it. Better start putting things together, though. I need these boxes to stand next to each other like this. There we go. I made a base out of boxes. Which were free. And now for the mattress. A perfect sheet. And I've got a red blanket, too. Not only that, these colorful pillows will help add some contrast. Wow! Good job, you two! Your rooms are really starting to come together. Oh, looks like Matthew is asleep on the job. I can fix that. I'm up! Tina, I'm really enjoying the color scheme you're working with here. Huh? Oh my, there's a man on your bed over there. Here we go with the next part of your rooms. Don't you just love when carts can spin in a circle like this? We're doing tables now, and you must use something in this cart. Ooh, I can definitely make something work with these plastic bottles.
Here, put on this cart, please. Alright, I've got a nice looking end table now. I'll slide it over beside the bed. Everyone needs a table where they sleep.
Ahem. Matthew, don't forget to use what's in this cart.
Wait, what? But that's a tire. I don't want that.
Sorry, but them's the rules. You must use the tire in your room.
Well, fine then, I guess. No one said it has to stay looking like a tire. This fabric is gonna make all the difference. There we go. You can't even tell it's a tire anymore. But I'm not done. For the next step, I need to flip it over. I've got these golden table legs that'll do nicely. This next part will require some power tools and screws. But I'm up for the challenge. The screws go in super easily. That's it. Time to flip it back over. Ta-da! No one would ever guess that it used to be a tire now.
Looking good, Matthew, but please don't distract me. There we go. That's the last of the plastic bottles. Now it's duct taping time. Just around the bottles like this. I need the bottles to be held in place. Another piece on the opposite side and it's all secured. Now I can just add this tabletop to the bottles. But it's not actually gonna stay on the top because I'm flipping the whole thing over. Now I've got another topper and of course, more tape. The whole thing is taped together nice and solid. But tape won't be enough for this next part. I need some hot glue. But not the clear stuff. The colored glue. Like this red. Aw, look at that happy little heart. I'm still using it as glue though. I need to add this foam to the top. Now for some yellow fabric. Oh wow. I couldn't be happier with the result. Okay, let's check out these two tables. Very nice job from the both of you. Woo! I love lamps. And of course, they're light bulbs. Here you go. You can each have one as a gift from me to you. Time to come up with something illuminating.
Hey there, birthday girl. I'm gonna need all these toys. But don't worry, I'm not gonna leave you empty-handed.
$10,000?! Wow!
Got my toys. I'll start with this car. Gonna paint it gold, of course. Every little bit of it, from the doors to the rims. I've got my golden lamp base and this golden car is getting glued right to it. Next up, the golden army people. Holy cow, I absolutely love how my lamp is coming together. Let me just put the lampshade on for the finishing touch. Yes! Now that is one mighty fine lamp. I knew I could pull it off and I did.
Look what I found! This old leather suitcase. Isn't it great? Not only that, it has a bunch of stuff inside. All of this is gonna help me make a great lamp. I'm gonna need a pretty long screw for this part, because it's got to go through both. It's nice and tight. And now I need the lamp hardware and cord. I ran the cord through all of the holes in the wood. It's back on its base, and it's perfect! You ready, light bulb? I'll just screw you in and… Fantastic! You're so bright! Oh my goodness! You both really managed to light up your spaces! Wow! These golden soldiers are really getting it done! How did you make such a modern minimalist design, Tina? Not bad! Okay, lamps are done. Now, what else do your rooms need?
I'll call him back up.
This cake looks delish. Huh? Who's contacting me?
Hey, you there? I've got a job for you.
Alright.
He'll do a good job for sure.
How much money do I have left? Only $1? Ugh. Maybe I could hang it on the wall.
Here you go, Tina. Your room likes trash.
Hey, Matthew! Stop being so mean! You know what? Don't mind if I do. I'm just gonna start cutting up some straws. And then adding some hot glue to the tips. Because I want to change the angle. See? I'm making hexagonal shapes with my straws. Add some clothespins and photos of my friends, and I've got my decor! I'll just hang it on the wall right here so I can always see it and smile. Who doesn't want to be reminded of good and happy times? Let's see. He said he wanted the rare stuff. This looks pretty rare to me. Let's go, flowers! Oh my gosh. What? Is this glued to the floor or something? I'm gonna need something easier, I think. Hey, this old dude should work. Let's go, Gramps. Ta-da! I got you some rare artwork like you asked.
Oh, hey, alright. This is perfect. Here you go, like I promised. Let's see. Is this a good spot for my new friend? Nah. Oh, on the end table? Ugh, no way. Where am I gonna put this? Wait a second. The box of toys! That's the solution! Let me just get this dumb portrait out of here. Now to add some color to the frame. And now it's dinosaur time! Roar! Calm down, Dino. I'm just adding some glue to your legs. Onto the mat you go with your friends. Now that's a piece of artwork I can get behind. I'll hang it right by the other one I made. Ah, nice. What do you think? Pretty great if I do say so myself. Time to win this money!
Wow! You both went all out for this last stage! Matthew and Tina. Okay, it's time to see who the winner is. I hope you didn't forget about this whole briefcase of cash. You both did a good job, but the winner is… Matthew.
Ah! I won! I knew it! I knew I would win!
But don't worry, Tina. I've got something for you, too. The credit card without any limit. Just for you.
Kids, you in there?
Hide the snacks!
Gotta fix that. What are you two up to? What's that next to your foot? No food allowed. You know the rules. I'll be back.
Got anything good under here? Check out that stash!
It's been here all this time?
Whoa! Oh! That hurt!
This place is huge.
And it's just under the bed? Sure could use a little cleanup.
Good thing we've got some time. Phew.
That was exhausting.
Now for our reward. Hey, it looks great in here. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh yeah! Let's get this party started!
This carpet sure isn't too comfortable. Chairs would be nice.
Yep, you can say that again. Ugh, this is so frustrating! Wait! Hold these!
Hey! A warning would have been nice.
Sorry. Hold on.
Guess I'll just wait down here. Ooh, tricky. 3 letters for cactus? What's going on now? This pillow's pretty soft. Where'd it come from? Huh?
Oh gosh, I'll show you. Just need a needle and thread. Then you can attach these two together. Just a regular running stitch will do. You can even cross them like this. I did a whole bunch of them. Isn't this cool?
Whoa! You made all that out of pillows?
Uh-huh. Now our butts will be happy down here. So much better, right?
Thanks!
How do you open this thing? Well, finished all the candy. Now what? I can so reach my nose! No, you're weird. I'm so bored. But it looks like it's time to eat. Hey! It says it's time to eat! Whoa! Cool! This is my favorite! Thanks! Yay!
Phew. Happy to help.
Can I eat now? Hey! What happened to your shoes? They're gonna make a mess in here!
What? Oh, sorry. I'll head back up. Oh no! Wait! Don't fall! Guess I'm stuck down here then. Unless… maybe I can do something with this! Of course!
Start by curling the rope, like so. And keep going without the rope bending. It has to lay flat like this. See? Keep going until you reach the end. Put some hot glue here to keep the end in place.
There! Isn't this neat? And now I won't get the carpet dirty.
Interesting. Now, take them off.
Okay, okay. You happy now?
Yay! My appetite's back!
Yeah, I'm starving. This stuff just melts in your mouth. What's going on here? Sarah and Liam stuff? Care to explain?
Hold on, okay? You're gonna love this, Liam! Ta-da! It's from our room!
It's just our old stuff then?
No! I'm more excited about this! Where's the button? Cool, right? What? Shh!
Kids? Oh, good. They're taking a nap.
I'm scared in the dark! Huddle, quick!
Hey, that looks pretty cool. I think I can put something together here.
Have an empty soda bottle lying around? Take the label off and place some string lights inside. And don't forget to turn them on. Next comes the fun part. Wonder where the lights went? Pretty awesome, isn't it?
It's like I'm holding a real cloud.
It really is beautiful!
We can use it as a nightlight.
Wow! Great idea!
It can sit right in here. In fact, we can put them everywhere. It's like we're hanging out in the sky. I forgot it's a snack, too.
Alrighty, let's see what else we've got.
Glad you're here, Mr. Bear. Where's my honey, Liam?
How about we play cars instead?
Nah, nah, nah.
Gah! Whoopsies! Where'd it go? Aw, I forgot all about this picture. That was the best day. Remember, Liam?
Oh yeah!
I should put this somewhere in here. Right next to me feels right. No, that's weird. How about right here, then? That doesn't feel right either. Here? There? This is impossible! Ugh! I'm so frustrated!
Why'd you do that? You can't just throw memories away. There's gotta be a better place for it. Wait a second. The answer's here!
Just a trash bin? Think again. A little spray paint goes a long way. Add in those lights on top of the cotton. Then bring a wooden topper. Let there be light. Pretty magical, isn't it?
Now this ought to please her. Oh, Sarah?
What? Is that a new side table?
Just missing one thing.
Our picture! Oh, it's perfect! I think you deserve a little treat.
Thanks. We sure make a great team.
Those are my favorite! Can I?
Wait. I've gotta get myself prepared. Okay, now I'm ready. Ooh, I'll just eat it whole. Sarah?
What's up, bro?
Rawr!
Look! Whoa! My bad. I'll get that. Ooh, I left a stain. That's not good. Come on, get out! Nothing's working!
Wait. What about this canvas here? I think I can fashion a little something. Or just cover it all together.
That looks terrible. Let me think. Wait! I know!
What are you doing? Oh! Wow! Your name!
Yep. Now you!
Ta-da! I'll put it right next to yours. Pretty snazzy.
Good thing we have extra.
Kids? They're being too quiet in there. Something doesn't feel right.
Wait! That means Dad's on his way!
Come on, hurry up! Aww, look at my sweet sleeping angels. Sweet dreams, my babies. I'll see you in a little while. Nice!
We should go under the bed more often! Hi! Keep your eyes on this, okay? Keep watching! Now where is it? You guessed it! Let's try it again. And?
I don't know. A little help?
Wish you had a room under the bed to hide out in? What would you do under there? Let us know and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun.